Okay, I already told you why we'll be using the crypto, and again, you can do the transition, or I can refund you, or whatever it is. It can be done super easy without any cost. Okay, so I will just show you here in this video how you will create your account. When you open any application, any app like this particular KuCoin app or this Binance, okay, I normally use these two. Okay, you can use anything. If you can search in Play Store, if it shows like this, okay, like if it is not compatible or anything, something like that, just go to Google and search, and then download it from here. Okay, now and then just download it from this particular place. Okay, you can download the KuCoin app. Just a sec. Okay, so you can download it from here, and same thing like other platforms like this Binance and all. Okay, if you just write, you will get lots of platforms, not only Binance. You will get Binance, KuCoin. Why I am saying this Binance is here you have to verify yourself. Okay, verification is must, your KYC is must, but in this particular platform, KuCoin, your KYC isn't must. Okay, so you can use the application without KYC. Okay. There are also other platforms, like you can see this OctaFX, and then this Huobi Wallet, and what else are there, there are many. Okay, there were many actually. You just need to find a place which is suitable for you, and you can download or use any wallet, any particular application. There are lots of application. Okay, wait. Okay, you can see you can download OctaFX, Benimo, Vegirix you can, but in India you don't need to use the Vegirix. You can use the Binance or the KuCoin app, because in the Vegirix also you need to use the this KYC. This is also Indian one. Trust Wallet you can use, but for the Trust Wallet you need to buy the other thing from other place. You can use the JPay, or there are lots of places. Where are those? Oh, you see this one now. Huobi will get this one. Then Playflox. There are a huge number of places where you can buy crypto. Okay, so here is the one process where you can directly go and buy. Okay, you can buy, just go here and buy the crypto, and you can use the crypto as normally you like. Okay, you can use the card to buy the crypto, or you can use the P2P. Okay, whatever it is. If you have a card, this is just for the players who has the international payments, who are from USA, UK, America and all. You can use this particular website that's called MoonPay, but it charges a good amount. That's called 3% it charges, and you can buy this particular crypto. Okay, if you don't want to create an account there, and if you directly just want to buy and send that amount, then you can use this MoonPay. But still, here also you have to register, so it's same thing, you have to just go there and just create an account. Okay, so creating an account in most places are normally same. Just open, when you open the app, it will ask for the registration. You go to the registration, and then here you can just okay, and then add your phone number, verify your phone number, add your mail ID. Okay, and then this is also one of the things that's called trading password. Trading password is also a password. Okay, now normally you will enter a login password. Login password is also different from trading password. Okay, and it's there for every place, it's there for every platform like KuCoin, Binance, or whatever it is. Okay, and then you can and also after you set all this, you just need to you can see here this particular place, right? BI, where you can, this one. Okay, click on this, and you can see I have written my name. Okay, this name is exactly the same name that is on my Paytm, not my Paytm, like on my payment account. Okay, like if I send you the amount, you will be able to see this particular name. Okay, so you need to enter that name only, and you can only change it once per month. Okay, and which number do you need to enter here? Okay, like verify this number, you need to enter the same number from where you are paying. Okay, yes, need to be same number. Okay, and the mail ID also should be like that. Okay, and then you can add your payment method. I already have shown it. Okay, wait, let me show you again.
I'm not a concept, Joel. I'm just a fucked up girl who's looking for my own peace of mind. I'm not perfect.
I can't see anything that I don't like about you.
So like you can add your payment method like this. Okay, and you can add other payment method as well by clicking this add button here. You can add payment method like all this Indian, and then if you're from outside, you can add the lots of payment methods are there. And then that's it, you don't need to do anything else, and that's it. Okay, like, and now if I show you, like here I told you in KU coin you don't need to create, no need to do any KYC. Okay, but in Binance the KYC is must. Like in most platforms KYC is must. Okay, so like if you don't want to do KYC, you can just use the KU coin app. If you don't want to if you want to do KYC and go at a legit way, you can use the Binance app. Okay, like how is the KYC? It's like you can click on here, you can see is the temporary one. Okay, like when you enter your all these particular details, ID details and all, then you click on continue advanced verification. Okay, see, this is the same thing which is in every platform. You need to upload a photo holding in your hand, and then you can see like the backside photo, front side photo. Then you need to upload your signature, have to write this, and then upload and submit. Okay, that's how the KYC process is. Okay, so hope you know. And if you are doing the KYC, you have to use the same thing. Okay, like not the, like you have to use your own information, own KYC document. Okay, not like you are using your parents document and you are writing your name. If you are entering opening an account of your parent, it should be your parents. Okay, but if you are not doing KYC, you can simply use this particular platform, and you may not use your KYC, complete your KYC. But if you use any other platform, you can use the KYC. Okay, next video I will just show you like how you can buy the amount or you can sell the amount. Okay, like if you are buying any particular amount or you are sending the amount to someone else. Okay, I will show you on the next video. I am just showing it this particular one because just create an account, that's it. And whenever you create an account, you cannot do the buying or selling to the next 24 hours. Okay, your withdraw, like you can buy but you cannot send the amount to someone, or you cannot do anything mostly, because your account gets temporarily locked when you create an account or when you change something in your account, because that is for the security reasons. So it will be locked for 24 hours. Just create this account. Okay, nothing else. Normally download the app and then enter this particular password and all, and then just normally use. Okay, and I will show you in the next video how you are buying and selling. Okay, it's not tough, it's super easy. And if you watch all the videos, I will show you like how you can even earn money with this and all. Also, you can do the transaction without any charges. Like if you can do borderless transaction are like you are in USA and you are sending in a backward country or any country. Okay, without any charges or very low charges. Okay, I will show you in the next video.